got this 2010 Corvette, C6 Corvette. Now, we're deleting these mufflers, all right? Pretty blasphemous in the exhaust world, you're deleting Corsa mufflers, but the customer wants more aggression, doesn't want to do headers yet, has nothing on the midsection to delete, no resonators. Usually the Corvettes do not come with resonators, and he's in there talking shit. He's shitting on all the Scat Packs, all the Mustangs.
And I'm obviously going to be calling out some Scat Packs, Mustangs, anything. You know, I'm not going to be crashing into walls like other Mustangs, but I did race a few of them, and now at least they could hear me pass by them.
He's saying this thing smokes everything. Power to rate ratio. So this thing's got 430 horsepower, and we're just trying to make it more aggressive, all right? So like I said, we just deleted these mufflers. We got rid of the Corsas. Not the biggest fan of deleting Corsa mufflers. These things are pretty damn expensive. This kit usually costs around $2,000. It's just an axle batch, so probably closer to $1,500, but we need to delete the mufflers, add some new tips, and he wants to go black because he's wrapping it in the future, so he's trying to make the wrap match the tips, and we're about to drop it, crank it so you guys can hear it, and like I said, he's in there snapping on all the Hellcats and all the Mustangs, saying this thing smokes everything. So he's in there talking a lot about all these Mustangs and Chargers. If they don't pull up, I told him let's run it with the GTC. That thing's got about 600 horsepower, but it's also German horsepower. It's a little bit different than the 430 on this American horsepower, but we'll see what happens. If they don't pull up, we'll run it on 441, and I'm gonna have to smoke them, guys. All right, so we got this Charger Daytona. This is actually one of our fabricators, Matt. He's got an RT Daytona. This thing's a beast, got about 400 horsepower from the factory, but he has some work done to it. It's got a full exhaust, an air intake on there, so it's bumping up the horsepower a little bit. Honestly, I think this smokes the Corvette. As long as it keeps the fucking tires on the ground, then we'll see what happens. We'll see how good this Corvette driver drives. First, we gotta see who's louder. I think that hit 120. 120 dBs. So this thing's got full aerodynamics, bro. Aerodynamics everywhere. You got these things called canards, all right, on the side. Front lip, not carbon fiber, but carbon fiber hood. You see that thing? Carbon fiber with the vents, and they functional. You can get air in there, so, you know, faster. Then you got the side skirts. It says designed and made by Street Aero in California, all right? Don't love the laws out there in California. It's probably illegal to have side skirts in California. Weird, but whatever. Then you got this massive Wang, boy, by ARP. Sick. Big ass Wang on this thing, all right? And it's all, you know, wrapped together with a magneto gray paint job or wrap. And obviously this guy does wrap, so he does Zano Customs. Shout out to Zano Customs for bringing the work in. And you got this McLaren hood scoop. Pretty sweet. Sick. Fully functional hood vent, all right? We talk about functionality, boys. You got spots like that. That's cooling down Berto's head as we speak, all right? That's getting straight air flowing them Jerry curls, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah, Berto. So yeah. We're gonna bring it around and give it a couple more revs, and then see what 5.7 sounds like, boy.
And just a side note, I'm the owner of Zano Customs up in Royal Palm Beach, West Palm area. If you do need a wrap, I've obviously gotten some guys from down here too. I've even done some work for the Hard Rock Casino. Just let me know what you guys want to do, and I'll wrap your car up. Just hit up G Exhaust in general just for an exhaust. And tell them that you know me and you get a discount too.
That was the Charger. That one has a custom H-pipe midsection. It does have factory mufflers in the rear, so it's not super aggressive, but it hit 109 on the decibel reader. Right now, we're talking at 71, 80, 78. Pretty sweet mobile decibel reader by Top Test. So yeah, we're gonna see, you know, who's faster now. Corvette's a little bit louder. It hit 120 on the decibels. Ava, I'm doing a video. Get out of here. Decibels on the Corvette was 120. This thing hit 110 or 109. So this is a V8 twin turbo. That one's a naturally aspirated V8. Naturally, it's a louder car. That thing just has full straight pipes with a muffler in the rear. Or actually, we just did a muffler delete. So of course, it's going to be a little bit louder. But this thing's making more horsepower. So we're gonna run it, we're gonna see who's faster, and then once that's done, I'm gonna smoke my dad's Ferrari.